What's up? What's up? Oh shoot. I'm gonna put my phone away. And my van key. After I lock it. Okay. So for those of you who are still wondering where I was last week, you're about to figure it out. I put that Velocity Volts Moto carrier on this van to the test. With about 1,250 miles worth of driving. 600 of that on the way to Vermont, a little bit longer, took a different route, had stops to make, 500 on the way back, 150 to get here. Where is this? Well, this is nowhere other than the infamous Centralia. Centralia, PA, hence the graffiti. I did not know there would be trails here. I just knew it was a ghost town, and I thought y'all might like to see that. What's wild to me, oh, that's the church. That's the infamous church. Alright, so I'm not a history guy, but I am going to tell you guys some stuff. So, this town is based off a video game and movie called Silent Hill, and that is the church from the movie and the video game. I guess that was like the safe spot in the video game, trying to outrun the fog and like monsters or some weird shit. But yeah, not being the biggest history guy, I couldn't exactly tell you when this all started and came to fruition, this little town, but it was lined with houses, like lined with houses. And in the 60s, a coal mine underground caught on fire. Oh, another church, or another graveyard, not the one I was thinking of, but another one. Huh. Very beautiful. What is that? Yes, the 60s. The government paid everybody for their homes and evacuated the whole town. I guess it wasn't healthy to breathe that stuff in. Oh man, I don't know about all that. That and a wee one got sucked into a sinkhole. Well, he fell through. You know how that goes. I don't get sucked in, but the ground broke through where he was playing or something. Luckily, he grabbed a hold of a tree root and got himself out. But after that, it became quite apparent that there was a sinkhole problem here. Glad I didn't take that little route that I saw. It would have been difficult, bro. So we're just here to cruise around, put some more miles on the bike and that Velocity Volts rack. I wanted to prove to myself and everybody else how nice it really is. Man, I wish I wore pants, but I figured it would screw up my knees even more than they already are. I took a fall a few weeks ago and still haven't really recovered, or healed completely, I should say. Holy crap, these are some sharp rocks, huh? Wow, this would be fun in full condition, 100%. I don't actually know what all this is. I didn't know there was trails out here. This is not what they used to call the roads. I mean, maybe there was houses out here, but this is not the part of town I was looking for. Admittedly, this is probably better though anyway and cooler. I just got to make sure I can find my way back is all, because I feel like I picked a bad day to come out here. Oh, definitely did. I could go around it, but I think there's other stuff to see. They're doing so much construction nearby, and of course, this being an abandoned ghost town, they're using it as a hub for all that equipment. So there's a ton of trucks. This is so cool. There's a ton of trucks, a ton of construction equipment, and I just don't think today's our day. Which sucks, because this is a ways away from me. But it's okay. We'll make something of it. For sure. And this was not on the agenda, so bonus. I didn't know there'd be trails here. Cruise, we got to come back with the MX. You got to come back and enjoy this with me. This is craziness. And I need to be able to put some gear on and wear full pants in order to roar through this. I mean, I could probably do a little better than I have been, but I really don't want to fall again. Beautiful. Let's see if we can find this little town and these abandoned streets. This is clearly one of them. This is like an alley or something. There used to be houses here, guys. Why else would this stuff be paved? That's crazy. Almost missed that. So this was a little booming town for Pennsylvania. I don't know, 2,000-3,000 people, I think I read. Stop, go back. Wow, these all used to be streets. This is crazy. Somebody just abandoned their camper. Yeah, imagine just being told by the government you have to leave. Like it's not safe to live there anymore. Eminent domain or something. We're buying it up. You have to move. Hello from Maine, 25. I should have brought some spray paint. I mean, that's not my usual. That's not my thing, kids, but that would have been fun. Add my mark. So they used to have what was known as Graffiti Highway here, too. And that since has been covered with a lot of dirt. I guess they didn't want people going down it anymore. Maybe it became unsafe. Who knows? I just can't get over how there used to be houses everywhere here. This is wild. Absolutely wild. In every other video about Centralia, guys, because it's kind of a poppin' place, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, everybody and their brother's done a video about it. And in every single one, they make it look way more dead than it is. Did you just see that? That was all that construction going on. We'll take that way on the way back and I'll show you closer. Yeah, so they always make it look like there's nobody else here. I was here in 2018 without a Surron, obviously. You know what? There was other people here walking their dogs and stuff like that. Admittedly, it wasn't quite as grown in. I can't even believe I'm saying that because this is the difference of 7 years we're talking about. Wow, people just come up here and dump it. It's awful. I mean, it's ghost town. I'm not surprised, but like, damn. Yeah, it was like, it looked a lot less grown in and overgrown when I was here before. But I remember thinking even back then, like, it's a throughway. All the towns next door on all sides are still heavily occupied and have population. So like, this is a throughway from A to B. So I just don't listen to people when they're like, oh, it's abandoned. You can go there and not see a soul. Good luck. There are people driving through every second. See? And even today, I'm going to show you this construction if I can. Because they have it all down here. Man, I don't like the idea of this though. Because like, I'm out here alone in Sinkhole City. Knock on wood right now, everybody. Yeah, see all the stop traffic? Oh yeah, I remember seeing somebody else walk down this spot. All those nice old cars. Kind of run down, but I hope to be able to have my fun here today without causing a nuisance. But you see, like, this is what I mean by, like, don't tell people there's nobody else here. Yeah, nobody lives here anymore because they were all told to leave. And actually, Google might say there's like 3 or 4 people that still live here. Because see, cars and trucks. Last I knew, you couldn't get electricity out here or running water, but it's not going to stop some people from living. Now, I do believe this is the only functioning town building still in Centralia, the municipal office where they have the fire department, an ambulance, and I think it's run by volunteers. Yeah, see all those trucks and all those construction workers though? It's like, I picked a bad day. It's cool though. These are those little side roads I was looking for. It's exactly what this is. Oh, so cool. Alright, let's get back out of here. I guess we have to go the way we came, or we're crossing in front of them, and I shouldn't be so scared, but like, I'm just not trying to I don't know. I already thought to myself, what would I do if the cops came out here and were like waiting for me back near my van? Be like, officer, I was looking for a safe place to ride my Surron without disturbing anybody. I thought a ghost town might do it. I didn't realize y'all would be doing construction there today. But yeah, imagine this. Rows and rows of houses. Somebody probably still lives down there. There's no trespassing signs and stuff. Obviously somebody still lives down there. People that were still living here up until recently, and I'm sure like them that still are not exactly wanting all of this fame and attention, you know? This is the middle of nowhere, obviously. Devin, check it out. My neighbor, his name's Devin. He'll like all those cars and stuff. Maybe I can cut across back there. Look, you can tell where there used to be sidewalk. That's crazy. I can't believe this used to be a town. This is what I was looking for. This is the area I was in like 2018. Looking at what was clearly town. Oh, look at that. Like somebody's steps. That was probably a beautiful house once upon a time. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy that stuff like this happens. But andesite coal fire, like without a doubt, that's what caused it. That's why everybody had to leave. Not sure what that noise was, but I don't believe it was me. This thing has like no power now that I'm used to the MX. So cool. Gotta be careful though. Short one though this week, guys. I really just wanted to show you this and put more miles on everything. And I didn't realize they'd be doing construction here either. I of course would feel a lot better with company, which I don't have. Yeah, it's very clear people come up here with their wheelers and bikes. Oh, I really thought maybe. That was weak sauce. I'm gonna have to do that again. I'm just trying to be careful, guys, because I screwed myself up good right after being tattooed again too. Like I did myself dirty. So I gotta be careful. Whew. Beautiful though. Again, Centralia, guys. Whew. So much fun. Oh, I'm definitely coming back here now that I know all this is here. I think it would be best if I came back not alone though. For obvious reasons. Oh! As always, guys, thanks so much for watching until the end. Short one, just a little adventure. But let me know how you guys feel about this style of video, because this is pretty easy for me to just hit record and ride. If you like it, we'll do more. Oh, I don't know if I'm doing all that without pants on. We'll come back. We'll come back with crews and more bikes, more time, less construction. Centralia kind of did it. Until next time, guys. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.